As a safety officer, we have hundreds of responsibility, but after going through a countless interview, I learned these 9 are the most important to know and exactly what interviewer are looking for. Let's break down one by one. So first one is the hazard identification and risk assessment. Spotting hazard is the core of our job. Before any work begins, we must identify the workplace risk, assess their severity, and put the right control measure in place. But here is the truth. HIRA is just a piece of paper until it is implemented at a site. So that's why our next critical responsibility is the regular safety inspection to make sure the control measures are actually in place and catch unsafe act and condition before an accident happens. Finding an unsafe act and condition during the inspection is not the end of our job. It is our responsibility to drive compliance. That means ensuring everyone follow the safety procedure, stationary regulation and the client requirement. But here is the reality. Compliance is the impossible if the worker does not understand the rules. Therefore, why next vital responsibility is the toolbox talk and training. Educate the worker on a site hazard and the practical safe work methods. Training builds awareness, but daily discipline keeps the people safe. That's why our next responsibility is to enforcing a work permit system and the proper PPE use before any high-risk task begins. Even with the strong control, incident can still happen. That's why our sixth responsibility is the incident and the near-miss investigation, not to assign blame, but to cover up the root cause and to be prevent it from the happening again. Because of as well all known as emergency does not send an OTP before it strikes. That's why our seventh responsibility is preparing robots and the emergency response plan and the conducting the regular mock drill so that team is ready when the emergency situation will become. Safety is not one-time setup, it is a continuous cycle. That's why our eighth responsibility is the safety documentation and performance monitoring. Keeping an accurate record allows us to be track trend and measure performance and drive countless improvement on a site. Our ultimate responsibility as a safety officer promoting a positive safety culture, tools and the rules does not save life, people do. We need to build a culture where workers actively participate, report hazards, and freely to be truly believe that every accident is preventable. If you want to be a master in HSC management and crack your next interview, so hit the bell again and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.